Hello everyone. Let me ask you something. What if the next great carpenter, tailor, or electrician is not on LinkedIn or Naukri, but lives in a village with no internet and speaks only their local language? What if they could find work if only someone heard them? Across India, millions of micro skilled workers, tailors, electricians, cooks have no digital identity, no resume, and no access to platforms that could connect them to jobs. Most of them don't speak English. Some can't read or write, and yet they have real skills. That's why we built SkillLink, AI-powered micro skill matching platform for gig workers in rural and underserved areas. We believe talent does not need a degree, and skilling is here to give every skilled hand a digital voice. Let me explain you briefly about our solution. SkillLink, an AI-powered micro-skill matching platform that helps gig workers in rural and semi-urban areas showcase their talents through short voice, video, or text bios in local languages. Using AI and NLP, the platform extracts key skills from this bios and connects user with relevant local job opportunities, remote gigs, NGOs, and government schemes. And now you'll be excited to know how it works. Let me explain you. User record their skill, AI transcribes and analyzes it, and then the system matches them to relevant job opportunities or courses. Notification go out via app, WhatsApp or IVR for maximum accessibility. How it is different from any other existing ideas. SkillLink is a voice first and local language support, and it mainly focuses on micro skills and multimodal bios. Skills are extracted through AI and NLP, and instead of just remote gigs, SkillLink connects users to local job opportunities, community tasks, NGO programs. We can even integrate our SkillLink to NGO and government. Skilling does not depend on formal resumes or certifications. It is based on real world experience and self expressions. How will it solve the problem? Skilling is a voice first local language support enables even low literacy users to create profiles and access opportunities. AI extracts skills from voice or video bios. The platform works via IVR and WhatsApp. Matches users with nearby gigs, remote jobs, NGOs, and government schemes based on their actual skills. Helps showcase informal or small scale skills often ignored by mainstream job platforms. Offers a direct, transparent link between workers and job providers, cutting out intermediaries. Encourages self expression, discovery, and financial growth for underserved communities. List of features offered by the solution. Our platform works in local languages, supports voice first input for illiterate users, functions offline, and even integrates with WhatsApp and IVR for basic phones, and making it highly inclusive and accessible. This is the process flow diagram of SkillLink. So, access the platform. Gig workers use voice first interface or WhatsApp or IVR. Next is then we have to create a skill link bio, and in that records a short bio in local language and describing their skill. And next is AI trans analyzes bio, so that AI and NLP identify key skills from the bio and extracts them, finds matching opportunity. The platform searches relevant jobs, gigs, NGOs, and schemes, and then the user or worker receives notification via voice call or SMS and views and applies. Views details of the opportunity and applies if interested. This is the Figma style screen layout of the proposed solution. This is the architectural diagram of the proposed solution. Technologies used in our solution are natural language processing, automatic speech recognition, text to speech, machine learning matching algorithms, multilingual AI models, WhatsApp Business API, progressive web app, and cloud structure. Future development. We plan to add gamified onboarding, fraud prevention, skill validation, financial inclusion services, and smart referrals to make SkillLink a complete ecosystem for the rural gig economy. This is not just a project, it's a vision to unlock income and dignity for millions, from upskilling to fraud detection and financial access. SkillLink can grow into a national platform. We are looking to collaborate with partners, mentors, NGOs, government bodies, and ecosystem builders to take skilling to the real world. Let's build this together. Thank you.